how to send and receive cryptocurrency using Coinjar. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send and receive cryptocurrency using Coinjar. So it is the now receiving and sending cryptocurrency on Coinjar is as similar as using any of the other crypto app. All you need is a wallet address and a coin so let's say that you're actually sending a cryptocurrency, so you have to log in into your Coinjar account. Then you'll have to log in into your Coinjar account and then click the send button located in the top right hand side corner. Select the asset. Now once you've done that, select the asset that you're sending, then enter in the recipient details, enter in the exact amount that you wish to send, and select the review and confirm button if your final code. Now you'll be given a chance to review the information or the payment section and attach a note if you wish, and select pay now button located right at the bottom in order to complete the transaction. Now that is how you can send cryptocurrency on Coinjar. Similarly, if you want to receive it, then click the deposit button and go ahead and tap on the receive button and then select in the cryptocurrency that you're receiving and copy the wallet address, send it to the sender who is actually sending you the cryptocurrency, and that's how you can receive cryptocurrency on your Coinjar account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.